What's a word that helps us clear the way for success? Right here on Word Up with Sophia. Today's word is enhance. Can you say it out loud? Enhance. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? E-N-H-A-N-C-E. That spells enhance. Great job. Enhance means to improve or make something better. Let's break that down. It's all about understanding what that really means in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as enhance. Say it with me. Improve. Boost. Upraise. Upgrade. Amplify. Refine. Strengthen. Pause here and review the synonyms. Each one adds more meaning to your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of enhance. Weaken. Diminish. Lower. Lessen. Reduce. Harm. Ruin. Pause here and review the antonyms, so you know what enhance is not. Here's a great example. Sofia used color to enhance her poster presentation. Let's review. Enhance means to improve or make something better. Synonyms. Improve. Boost. Upraise. Upgrade. Amplify. Refine. Strengthen. Antonyms. Weaken. Diminish. Lower. Lessen. Reduce. Harm. Ruin. Keep using the word enhance and make it part of your everyday talk. Your challenge: pretend you re-teaching someone the word enhance. How would you explain it? Words like enhance help you express big ideas, and you're doing amazing. You're doing incredible things, and another word is coming your way tomorrow.